These 6 car features make people panic and rush to the mechanic, even though nothing is actually wrong. Number 5 especially makes drivers think their car is possessed. Let's talk about it. Number 1. Radiator fan running after you turn off the car. You park your car, turn off the engine, and suddenly the fan keeps spinning. Many drivers immediately think, my car forgot to turn off. Relax, your car isn't rebelling. That fan keeps running to cool the engine and radiator, especially after a hot drive. It's basically your car saying, give me 1 minute, I'm cooling down. Think of it like someone who just finished running. You don't sprint and immediately sit down. Your car also needs a cool down lap. Number 2. Water dripping under the car. You park and see water dripping underneath. Instant panic. Is my engine crying? Most of the time, it's just air conditioner condensation. Your AC removes moisture from the air and that water has to go somewhere. So yes, your car is basically sweating after working hard. Perfectly normal. Number 3. Clicking noise when turning the steering wheel. Sometimes when you turn the wheel, you hear a small click. Drivers immediately assume the steering is about to fall off. But in many modern cars, that sound is simply the steering column lock or indicator mechanism resetting. So unless the car starts sounding like a popcorn machine, you're probably fine. Number 4. RPM going up when the AC is on. You turn on the AC and suddenly the engine's RPM increases slightly. Some people think the engine is revving on its own, like it's preparing for a race. Relax, the engine is just working harder to power the air conditioning compressor. Basically, your car is saying, you want cold air? Fine, but I'm charging extra effort. Number 5. Headlights staying on after you lock the car. You lock the car and the headlights stay on for a few seconds. Some drivers stand there confused, like they just forgot how electricity works. This is actually called follow me home lights. It lights your path so you can walk safely in the dark. Your car is literally escorting you home like a polite bodyguard. Fancy, right? Number 6. Automatic door locks while driving. You start driving and suddenly, click, the doors lock themselves. Some drivers think their car just made a decision without asking permission, but it's actually a safety feature designed to lock doors once the vehicle starts moving. Your car isn't trapping you, it's just making sure no random person opens the door at a traffic light. Basically, your car is being overprotective like an African parent. So those are 6 car features people think are broken but are completely normal. Now tell me in the comments which one scared you the first time it happened. And if you enjoy funny and useful car content, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Jos Autos. Because here at Jos Autos, we keep the engines running and the car jokes in high gear.